Don't sell your soul to get monetized on YouTube. I'm going to say it again. I said it. Don't sell your soul to get monetized on YouTube. That's what we're going to talk about today. Because a lot of people are sitting back talking about, oh man, I want to get monetized. I want to get monetized. And they do everything under the sun just to get monetized. I'm looking for my water. You hear this? They want to get monetized. Oh man, they're going to make these videos. They're going to make videos that shock you. They're going to make videos just to make videos. This is not one of them. This is a video to help you to understand. Don't sell your soul to get monetized on YouTube. Just what you should do. Because I want you to win. I want you to win on YouTube, but the real deal is I want you to win in life. Because if you sell your soul to get monetized on YouTube, a couple of things are going to happen. You're going to say, oh man, I got to make all these videos. Yeah, you got to make videos. Oh man, I got to do some editing. Sometimes you got to do editing. Sometimes you don't. This is a conversation here. And like I tell everybody, don't worry about, oh, what's the first tip? What's the second tip? No, I'm going to talk to you like I'm talking to my best friend, Jay. I don't say number one, number two. Like you talk to your friend, you don't say number one, number two. No, you just talk to your friend like you talking. I'm talking to you. So don't sell your soul just to get monetized on YouTube. Because you have to put in effort. Not only put in effort, you got to put in time. And that's one of the things that will be taken away from you if you sell your soul just to get monetized. Because all that's in your mind saying, I want to get monetized, I want to get monetized. That's all you're thinking about? Don't you know you got people that want to hear your authentic self? But you just say, I want to be monetized, I want to be monetized. And you're going to start doing things just for the money instead of just for helping people. Your time will be taken away if you sell your soul just to be monetized. That's one thing that I purposed in my heart not to do. Have the main focus of being monetized and not helping people? No, it's not gonna work like that. That's why, to be honest with you, when I first started, I want to be monetized. Oh yeah, I'm doing it to be monetized. Yeah, I'm doing it to be monetized. But the realization came to my mind is, there's people waiting for me to hear my voice, to hear what I have to say. Not only what I have to say, things that can take them to the next level in their life and help them go through any challenges that they're going through that I may be able to help them go through. So the first thing that can happen is your time is taken away from you. Because you got to make videos, then you got to edit the videos, and then you got to post the videos, and then you got to answer comments, and then not only that, you got to make the thumbnail, then you got to get the title, and then the title and the thumbnail, then you got to look at the end. It's a whole lot in the background that goes on when you make these videos and post to YouTube. Don't sell your soul just to be monetized. Because once you get monetized, you're still going to be on that treadmill trying to make those videos. Oh man, I got to make some viral videos. Oh man, I got to make videos get 10, 20, 30,000 people watching it. Oh man, I got to get 100,000 views. That's the second thing when you sell your soul. Just to get monetized. You be on the treadmill, looking at everybody else. Oh man, I got to make these videos just like A, B, and C. I got to make videos like Mr. Beast. I got to make videos like E.T. I got to make videos like them, because if I don't make videos like them, I want to go viral. They went viral, so I'm going to say the same thing they saying. I'm going to do the same thing they doing. I'm going to wake up 9 o'clock in the morning and make some videos and post it. Every Monday, I'm going to post it just like E.T. Mr. Beast, I'm going to make these exotic videos over an hour, and I'm going to post it. If you're just starting out on YouTube, nobody know who you are. Even if you've been here for a long time, people still don't know who you are. Don't sell your soul just to be monetized. Because this is a job. This is a job for those people who are courageous. This is a job for people who understand they have people waiting for them to share your knowledge, information, sometimes revelation. And this is for those who are taking it seriously. I ain't selling my soul for no YouTube. Nope. I ain't selling my soul for no monetization. Nope. Nope. God been good to me. This is just a benefit for me helping people get to the place they need to get to. Create digital assets so they can create digital products, so they can create a life worth living instead of living a life of survival. I ain't selling my soul from the YouTube because it takes too much time. This is what I'm realizing. It's taking a lot of time. You create a 10-minute video, it might take you an hour just to create a 10-minute video. Then it might take you another hour just to edit the video. Got a slow computer, it might take another 15 minutes to upload the video. Then you got to put in the title. Then you got to do this and the thumbnail. And if you're doing a thumbnail, you got to make sure the thumbnail is right. It's too much time. I'm not selling my soul just to be monetized. No. Type in the comments. If you feeling me, feeling what I'm saying, hashtag I feel you. Because it's not worth it. Because once you get that first check, you'll be like, oh man, I got to keep creating those videos just to be monetized. What am I going to talk about? What am I going to say? That's another thing. Don't sell your soul just to be monetized on YouTube. You just create videos to be monetized. You got to create videos from your heart. Because what I tell people, you create 3 types of videos. Videos you want to make, videos you must make, and videos you have to make. Videos you want to make videos about the things that you love. You're making videos about things that you love. That's a specific audience. A lot of people might not like what you like, but you make those videos because you want to make it. It makes you feel good. I want to make videos about my comics. Matter of fact, I'm gonna make a video about my comics that I've been collecting for over 40 years. 45 years I've been collecting comics. I'll make a video for that. I want to make the video I want to make. I'm making that video. I'm gonna post it soon. That's a video I want to make. Video that you must make. You understand you have people assigned to you. You understand that there's people that's assigned to you need to hear what you have to say. And you understand that people that leave comments, look at those comments, respond to those comments in videos. Those videos that you must make. And videos that you have to make, if your mindset is to go viral, if your mindset is to be monetized, some videos that you have to make, find the posts of what's happening in the world. Find the posts of what's happening on YouTube. Find the posts what's happening in the search engine and create those videos. Got some videos on here saying, if you're over 50, get your butt on YouTube. That's what was happening a couple of months ago. I got a video on here. Keep posting even if nobody's watching your videos. That's what was the post last month. What's happening this month? Vlogmas. I didn't know what a Vlogmas was. But Vlogmas is Vlogmas. That's the post of what's happening now. I didn't get that many views, but hey, that's what's happening. I ain't figured out. The algorithm say they don't like my Vlogmas. But anyway, listen, that's the video that you must make to grow your channel. But here's a little secret. If you don't sell your soul to get monetized, you can open up your soul to help those that's assigned to you. That's what I want to tell you. Open up your soul to help those that's assigned to you. What's your soul? Your way of thinking. What's your soul? Your perception. What's your soul? Your feelings. Open up your soul and share your heart to those that's assigned to you. Because I'm not selling my soul to be monetized. I'm telling you, don't sell your soul to be monetized, because it's going to take all your time. It's going to take all your effort. It's going to take almost everything away from you, because you're going to be on that treadmill trying to make videos, being nervous, being upset if your videos don't make it the way you want to have the results that come. So listen, if this video has been a blessing to you, share it out, because I don't want you to sell your soul just to be monetized on YouTube. I want you to be on YouTube, create those videos from your heart. The videos you must make, the videos you want to make, and the videos you have to make. I want you to make those 3 videos. Leave in the comment section if you're going to do that. And if you want to join a community with like-minded individuals who are going to push you, who's going to help you, who's going to make you go to that next level, join the My Time community waiting list. Because there's going to be like-minded individuals in here that's going to help you get to that next level, not just in YouTube, but your life. It's going to close soon. Beginning of the year, going to be teaching the trainings, but it's going to close soon. And when it closes, it might open back up, it might not. But don't take the chance. Join the My Time community. It's in the description. Click the link to sign up, because when it opens up, it's going to have a lot of training. For those who sign up now, it's going to be a bonus or benefit of me saying thank you. I got something waiting for you. So, like I tell everybody, this is my life, this is my experience, this is my time.